Lenovo has completely revamped its line of gaming laptops and desktops for a new, wider audience, and no new product is more emblematic of that than the Legion Y730. This is a gaming laptop that almost anyone could get behind, but not just on account of its style. This laptop is surprisingly affordable given the internals and its presentation, poised to attract more would-be PC gamers to the hobby. To folks like us, that can only be a good thing, as it means more newbies to mop the floor with. At any rate, we're excited to fully test the Legion Y730 when it arrives this September in the US. Price and availability. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Legion Y730 is its starting price, $1,179, about £879, $1,549 for the 15-inch model, and $1,249, about £939, $1,639. For that price, you're getting an all-aluminum gaming laptop, all other razor blade for hundreds less. However, the innards betray that price a bit if you're already a hardcore PC gamer. That starting price gets you an 8th generation Intel Core i5 H series, up to i7 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics behind a 1080p, 60Hz, up to 144Hz display. Backing that up are 8GB of DDR4 RAM, up to 32GB, and a 128GB SSD, up to 512GB, and 1TB hard drive combo for storage. You can also choose to overclock your memory through Corsair at up to 16GB for an extra cost. Though, being a mainstream gaming laptop, we can't imagine many people leaping at the option. In the end, this is a surprising balance of luxury look and feel and pure power for a new or mainstream PC gamer, for such a price. Design and display. The new look for Legion is just fantastic. It's more streamlined and subdued than ever before while bringing forth the features that new and veteran PC gamers will need alike. The Legion logo remains on the iron gray aluminum lid, but it hides behind the chrome Legion moniker in all caps, lighting up with the full RGB spectrum. Thankfully for the laptop's image, this is one of the few visible lighting elements on the laptop's frame. The only other lighting about are undercarriage lights of sorts on either side of the base, giving the laptop a bit of a Tokyo Drift vibe. The 15-inch version measures just 0.78 inches thick, while the 17-incher isn't much thicker at 0.86 inches. However, the 6.4-pound, 2.9 kilograms, 17-inch model far outweighs the 15-incher's 4.8 pounds, 2.2 kilograms. The latter, therefore, is decently portable, and that is the point. Lenovo wants this laptop to fit in just as well at the coffee shop or your next business meeting as it would in your den or at the next QuakeCon. Does that check out? Sure, so long as you disable the external RGB lighting. Speaking of which, Lenovo has teamed up with Corsair to not only provide overclocked RAM, but to power its keyboard backlighting software. While we didn't get to see it in the works during our brief preview of the laptops, the name brand gives a bit of confidence as to the lighting.